The papal visit allowance issue involving policemen who were called to duty appears far from over. The details of this report from Alvin Baltazar.
In the wake of the controversy pertaining to the alleged failure of some units of the PNP to distribute the allowances of policemen who went on duty during the recent papal visit, an official of the PNP bravely came out in the open and confirmed such information. He is Police Chief Inspector Ernesto Eco, who is now with the holding unit of the National Capital Region Police Office. Eco insists that they received nothing from the NCRPO during their entire duty for the Pope Francis visit.
Ang amin lang hinaing, meron naman palang appropriate funds para sa mga food provision. Sana, once for all, mapaimbestigahan to ng ibang ahensya, lalo na sa Senate, para sa ganun, makita kung ano talaga ang pagkakamali.
NCRPO Chief Police Director Carmelo Valmoria explained that instead of cash, they gave food supply to policemen assigned at the NCR Regional Police Office. Valmoria said that Eco's allegation seemed to be a form of retaliation after he relieved his former intel officer from his post after several complaints. As such, is for using his name for alleged Eco stone collection activity.
I would like to assure you kung ano yung intended para sa personnel, ginamit dyan, hindi binulsa po. Kasi ginamit yung pangalan ko na nangungulikta siya on my behalf. I never tolerate, I have never tolerate any forms of illegal activities since I enter service.
Ako po ay willing na tumayo para imbestigahan kung ako po ay meron na illegal activities.
Major Eco said that he won't retract what he had said against his former superior. Eco added that he is prepared for any possible consequences amid this disclosure and that he likewise is ready to take off his police uniform and leave the police service if needed.
Kung ano man ang kainat na nito, nakaanda po ako. At kung kinakailangan magubad ako ng uniforme, kung ako po ay tiwali, gagawin ko po.
For the People's Television, Alvin Baltazar.